For this tutorial, I'm using the Lion brand yarn. I have used this previously and I'll put which one in the description box. And I'm starting from here. I have already chained 250. I chained 250 and I made a single crochet in every stitch. So I will put the link if you're a beginner in chain making and double crochet in for another video, and also I'll put a beginner video how to make the waffle stitch for a clearer version. For now, I'll show you how I'm starting to build my waffle stitch. So it's gonna be in two stages, which is starting from the second row and the third row, which will be repetitive until you finish your work. So we'll begin second row and third row. Those are the ones we're going to repeat until the end of the work. Okay, so I'm starting by chaining 2. So 1 and 2, and of course, as usual, I'll turn my work. Now what we're going to do, this is the last double crochet I did. This is the one before the last. What I'm going to do is insert my hook in between those double crochet and take my hook from the one before the last. First I'll yarn over, insert my hook, take it out from that double crochet and work a normal double crochet. So that's the post crochet stitch. Now in the next 2 double crochet previous ones, I will work a normal double crochet on top of the previous one, and again on the next one I will work a post front stitch like so. I will continue doing the same, so 2 normal double crochet and 1 post front stitch, 2 double crochet and 1 post front stitch. We'll continue to do the same until the end of the row, and then we'll come back and see how to proceed with the row 3. So here I have finished with 1 double crochet only instead of 2, because I had only 1 stitch to do my double crochet. And now what I'm gonna do is chain 2 and turn my work. And as we have previously said, now we're gonna do whatever was a post stitch earlier. We'll work 1 normal double crochet, means on top of this one, 1 double crochet here, and where was 2 normal double crochet, we'll make 2 post stitch, post front stitch, 1 and 2. Like you see now. This way we'll start shaping our waffle stitch. And now on the next post front stitch we do a normal double crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet we do a post front stitch. We alternate like we previously did, and we will keep repeating row 2 and row 3 until the end of the work. That's all you need to do. If it's still difficult to follow, I'll put the link for the written pattern if it's easier to follow that one. And I'll be back once I finish this scarf. So here I have finished 10 rows already of the waffle stitch. 10 rows means 10 waffle squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Every square needs 2 rows each, yeah. So this is how it is as a normal scarf. I think I'm gonna add at least 5 rows to make it even bigger. It's a very long scarf. And here you have the choice either to join it together and make it an infinity scarf, where you can use it as maybe a cover head or neck cover, or you can leave it open and just wear it like that. It's very nice. It's very thick because of the waffle stitch, and it's very warm as well because of this yarn. As I have told you, I'm using this 1 pound of love from Red Heart yarn, and it has this wool feel like. So this color also is perfect for men, but I use this color for myself because I do wear different colors of coat and clothing, so just to neutralize and make one scarf match all of my clothes, this is a good color for me. It's like charcoal, it's dark gray to black color, and it looks very nice with these silver shining things. So this is what you will obtain at the end of your work, and I love it. Let me know what you think, whether you would like to make the same. Just one thing you need to know, this does take time. Today I have finished these 2 rows, and I don't know for you guys, but it took me almost 4 hours, I think. Okay, let's say 3 hours to do only 2 rows. It does take time because I have made a long one, plus it takes a lot of effort as well, just like the bubble stitch. Now I can feel a little my arm hurts a bit, and I do want to make more rows, but I'm too tired to do that, so I'll leave it for another day. So I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Happy winter.